Hello and welcome back to the video. In this video I'm just going to show you how to make some healthy cereal, bran flakes, or any kind of corn flakes or anything like that that you'd like to use a little bit more, have more flavor, more protein in them. A very quick and simple recipe if you like some cereal in the morning and you want to add some extra flavor and protein to it. We're going to add some make this like a chocolate peanut butter to the bran flakes, and bran flakes usually pretty low on the fat, have good fiber, 7 grams of fiber in this, 4 grams of protein, 120 calories per serving, so not bad. Sugar is only 6 grams of sugar, so low sugar in this. So the first thing, I just add 2 servings, which is 2 cups. 39 grams is a serving of this. So 78 grams. After the 78 grams, use your protein of choice, but to make this like a chocolate peanut butter, I'm using Primeval Labs whey protein. This one is chocolate peanut butter cookie. It has 150 calories per scoop, 23 grams of protein in this, 4 grams of fat. Any protein powder that you want to use that's a whey, casein would work too. If you're trying to make this like a peanut buttery, then you'll want to use something that's that has that kind of flavor in it. So I just do half a scoop. So depending on how much it weighs for each scoop will be dependent on your protein powder. This one I believe is like 33 or so a scoop. And then after that, I go in with the PB Fit, and I just do 1 serving of PB Fit, 16 grams. Add some extra peanut butter to this. If you wanted to, you could just forget about the protein powder. Protein powder is going to give you a lot more protein in this cereal, but if you just want to go with peanut butter, just add the PB Fit, 1 serving, a serving and a half, depending on how much you want to, how much peanut butter flavor you want to really add to this. With the peanut butter too, if you want, after doing that, cut up a banana, put a banana in this. Tastes really good. But I just go in with 1 serving, 16 grams. And then get yourself some lower calorie milk. I just use almond vanilla milk, 30 calories per cup, and I'm only using 1 cup, 240 milliliters. And then when you add all this in, it really makes your bran flakes, you don't have to add any sugar, you don't have to add anything. It just really, it tastes delicious, has tons of protein in this, very filling. So it's a nice, quick, and easy breakfast in the morning. Doesn't take that long at all to get this all together. So you'll mix all your stuff together. Again, you could just do PB Fit. You could just do the protein powder if you just wanted to do the protein powder. I just like adding it with the protein cookie. Just really adds that extra flavor of peanut butter. If you just want to do the PB Fit, and you wanted to slice up a banana, and you like PB and banana, definitely a great choice too. But just a very simple, quick, easy recipe. Get yourself going in the morning. You don't got much time. You want some cereal. 1 cup mixes pretty well with that. Got yourself a bowl of cereal. And if you made it exactly the same way I did, it would be 415 calories, 71 grams of carbs, which 17 of the carbs is fiber. 17 grams of fiber in this, so quite a bit of fiber. Only 8.5 grams of fat and 28.5 grams of protein, so definitely adds tons of protein to this cereal. You'll be getting your fiber and your protein in the morning. 415 calories, not too bad for a breakfast in the morning. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And you guys have a great day.